Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to course chemistry. Students, today we are going to start the new chapter number 3, forensic science. The topic of discussion is introduction to forensic science. So first we know that what is forensic science. Forensic science is critical element of criminal justice system. This forensic science examines and analyzes evidence from crime scenes and elsewhere to develop objective findings that can assist in the investigation. So let's have a look on history. From the earliest time, the primary tool in the investigation of forensic cases have been observation and interpretation of physical evidence. In the second half of 19th century, science was first applied by advancement the manner in which cases were investigated, and this improved the validity of the conclusions drawn from investigation by responsible authorities. A few attempts were made to recognize special area within police departments for processing evidence. Investigating authorities individually obtain scientific information from academic department of chemistry or pharmacology, which had knowledgeable scientists and technical instruments such as microscope. The law enforcement authority had to locate such resources that develop the evidence from processing by those institutions. Identification method. There are several identification methods used in forensic science, in which some common methods are Bertillon's method, fingerprinting, and physical evidences. In some instances, scientific laboratory within the police organizations evolved from identifications function. Bureaus of identification developed as the number of criminals rose with population increases. The law enforcement could no longer depend on the memory of short police officers who knew the violence and their gangs so well that they could tell with accuracy whose hard work was involved in a particular case. Initially, Identification Bureau used Bertillon's identification method, which was based on anthropological measurements supported by photographic documentations. This Bertillon's technique was later replaced by a far more accurate technique of fingerprinting. The processing of fingerprinting then became coupled with new responsibility for handling physical evidences such as biological stains, hair, soil, and other material left at the scene of crime. So these are common identification methods used in forensic science. AAFS. So what is AAFS? This is American Academy of Forensic Science. The seeds of modern forensic science were sown in the last quarter of 19th century. Progress from that time has been slow but steady. American forensic scientists are now organized into American Academy of Forensic Science. This organization was established in 1948 by many pioneers in the field who were led by Dr. R.H. Gradhole. So, the American Academy of Forensic Science include the following specific area of expertise. These areas are pathology, biology, toxicology, criminalistics, question documents, forensic odontology, anthropology, jurisprudence, psychiatry, general section. So this is introduction of the forensic science.